In case of disobedience in giving access to records under Section 1002 of the CMTA, the BOC may conduct reassessment of goods covered. Similarly, in such cases, release of imported goods still in customs custody may also be suspended. A. Only the second statement is correct. B. Only the first statement is correct. C. Both statements are correct. D. Both statements are incorrect. Which among the following is are contained in the goods declaration? A. Port of departure. B. Number and marks of packages. C. Commodity description of the goods. D. All of the above. Which among the following is are contained in the goods declaration? A. Port of destination. B. Name of consignee. C. Date of arrival. D. All of the above. In cases of provisional goods declaration, the declarant undertakes to complete the same within A. 10 days, B. 15 days, C. 30 days, D. 45 days. In cases of provisional goods declaration, the declarant undertakes to complete the same within the period under the CMTA, counted from A. Discharge of last package from vessel aircraft, B. Filing of provisional goods declaration, C. Notice from the collector, D. Arrival of vessel aircraft.